Do you want your own state art? We're gonna show you how we made ours today for like $5. All right, we saw this cute little Texas sign. It was the shape of Texas, but it was like a negative stain on a board. And we also saw a world or a globe like that, so we wanted to do it for our lovely state of Virginia. Virginia's for lovers, so we thought we would give them a negative. So we took a 1x3, it cost us like $3, and we cut it into 4 14-inch strips. And then we had 2 9.5-inch pieces for the back. And we're gonna let it out, glue it, tack it down, flip it over, and put the vinyl piece on. Just come in an inch or something. Right there.
Yep. Tack it down.
Tack them if you got them. Almost done.
We are almost done.
Alright, flip it over, and we'll put the vinyl on there. You want to do that? You're better at that.
Yep. So I simply went to Google, found an image of the state of Virginia, imported it into Cricut Design Space, cut it out on the Cricut. I have a little adhesive sticker here. I'm just going to add it right to the front of our board. And I think I'm just going to eyeball center it. Put it on like that, and we're going to stain over it, around it, and peel it up.
Alright, we'll see if it works.
Yes.
I have a feeling it's going to bleed and look bleedy.
No, not with the vinyl.
You don't think so?
I don't think so. Just make sure it's down nice and secure so it doesn't bleed underneath.
Alright, pick a color, any color, pick a color.
None of those, I got some new ones.
Alright.
This early American I saw, I think it might look nice. Or, of course, tried and true Jacobean. Let's try early American. We haven't used that before.
We'll try early American. Alright, I'm going in.
Do you want a little bit bigger?
No.
Interesting.
Trying to brush away. Trying to brush away from the stencil. Away strokes.
Seems like a good call. Good idea.
Alright, we'll give it a minute. I'll wipe it off.
I'll wipe it down. Oh, it did.
Didn't work.
So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to make lemonade out of lemons.
Damn straight. I'm going to put it back on.
And then we'll just add some chalk paint. I'll use the negative side.
Alright, back to try to salvage the sign. We're laying the cutout on top of it.
Get it down as tight as we can.
And away we dab.
Okay, so with this, you're going to want to let this paint dry for just a few minutes, but not dry completely, because the paint may dry to the vinyl, and when you pull it up, it'll pull the paint up, peel the paint up. So you just want it to get a little bit dry, and then go ahead and peel the vinyl stencil up. Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah, Virginia. All right, we'll let it dry for a minute and then we'll put the heart on. All right, so we're just gonna distress it a little bit. All right, so we distressed it a little bit. You got the heart and glue?
Heart.
Heart.
And
Yeah, it's like right there. All right, there's our Richmond sign.